All right, let's get to Instacart for a second. So we learned yesterday that we could see a roadshow kicking off, right? We could see pricing next week.
It is such a back-to-school vibe. I mean, everything is happening in the IPO market. Yeah, exactly. So ARM coming next week, as soon as the 14th is when we'll be speaking, of course, on the floor, we hope, of the NASDAQ when they come to market. But then the week after, as soon as the 20th, could be seeing Instacart. And not only Instacart, but also an e-commerce marketing company is also looking at that exact same date. So Roadshow should be starting as soon as Monday. They need to get their conversation out there. They need to be telling the investor base how they are pivoting, how they're offering more e-commerce tools. Just today, we saw that they, of course, now offered a way in which sort of newer e-commerce packaged good players on Shopify can now be getting ads within the Instacart app. They could too be sort of accessing the people who are addicted to this way of getting your groceries. So it's really trying to be an e-commerce tool player, an ad player, as well as, of course, someone that just gets your groceries to you as and when you want them.
Caroline, the question is, we saw the downgraded valuation for ARM.
Yeah.
Does that apply to the whole market? Will that apply potentially to Instacart and the others as well?
Now, some of the worries around ARM, some of the reticence and perhaps the story they need to tell is about their exposure to China in particular. Remember, about 25% of their revenue. And notably, this is not going to be an issue for Instacart. Instacart has also taken a sledgehammer to its overall valuation several times. Remember, it's come down from about 39 billion in the heady days of COVID, now down to about 13 billion. So I think maybe they won't be at the vagaries of what ARM is currently having to digest. But notably, yeah, they need ARM to go well as initial public offering, I'm sure, to be able to just get that enthusiasm around the name. But remember how well Carver did. I mean, Mediterranean salad company, kind of a tech play, but it did particularly well, and maybe that bodes well.